How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages? Well, the process is super simple. All you need to do is click on these three dots, then click on Settings. Open the chats, and at the bottom you'll find this chat backup option. Now the very first thing and the most important thing you have to do is you need to choose one of your Google accounts. So all the chats and medias that you will backup will be stored in that Google account. If you want, you can turn on these automatic backups and choose the frequency of it, like you want your WhatsApp messages to be backed up daily, weekly or so. But make sure it shouldn't be off, otherwise your backups will not gonna work. Now if you want to backup your videos as well, then you need to turn on this option, otherwise leave it unchecked. Now once everything is done, just tap on this backup button, and the backup process will take some time depending on the size of your files. Now while restoring your messages, you first need to log in using your phone number. Then as soon as your number gets verified, it will automatically tell you whether you have any backups or not. Now once you find the exact backup, just click on this restore button and the WhatsApp will restore all your messages.